Yo, what's up, peoples? This is Rashawn Ahmad, representing the mighty Crown City Rockers, Oakland, California hip-hop crew. We're here at the Independent doing a show for the Shotgun Wedding Quintet listening party. But check us out, Crown City Rockers. Earth Tones is the name of the album. We got new stuff cooking in the studio. Chilling with Woodstock, Catalano. On Bay Area Live!
Bay
Area
Live!
Big up!
Well, because we were going to release our record in a bit from You the Unknown, I woke up screaming at sunrise, put my top in disability, her memory killing me. Looked up my top to first tribal